anything. Holy shit. It feels like dirt bike whoops.
Yeah, today it does.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be doing some jet ski riding today. It's gonna be the first time I've ever rode jet skis. And I can't lie, I am kind of terrified of water. So we're gonna see how this goes. Looks beautiful out here though with the cruise ship. The Sea-Doos actually look nice too. I feel like this can't be harder than like riding dirt bikes, right? This is like a jet ski tour, so hopefully they'd let me roam around a bit. I'm gonna have to tighten the shit out of this headband so it doesn't fly off. Let me know if you guys wanna see more stuff like this on the channel, like jet skis, ATVs, really anything. I'm trying to branch out the content a little bit. I do gotta wait like 10 more minutes though before we hop on. All right, chat, let's do some roaming. Looks beautiful out here though. That looks so sick with the cruise ship in the background. I look like an idiot with this thing on. It's 85 degrees out today. It's actually cooler out here than it is in Illinois right now, which is actually insane. The water looks a little dirty, I can't lie.
Open up that clear plastic lid, put your phone in there, and make sure you close.
Let's rip, boys. Oh yeah, sport mode cooks. They weren't lying, this water's choppy. Woo. I can't see anything. Holy shit. This is crazy. Ate shit there. I thought I was going overboard. Oh. This is awesome. There's a coconut. This is beautiful out here. Yeah, it was good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that was sick. It feels like dirt bike whoops.
Yeah, today it does.
Yeah. I'm getting arm pump.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't use some muscle. You didn't know you had.
For sure. This is the college right over here, he was just telling us. And this is where they used to have like a landfill right here, but then they stopped using it because I guess so much of it fell into the water or whatever. My hands are killing me.
All right, guys, be ready.
Feels on water. eyes are on fire. And I'm so thirsty. If you guys like this type of content, let me know in the comments because I definitely want to get a jet ski. But if you guys are new to the channel here, please drop a sub. It helps me out a ton. I'm about to get the jet ski all loaded here. Go grab all my stuff.
For me?
I appreciate that.
Hey, I appreciate you coming.
Yes, sir.
Fun?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.